Hi viewers, hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Previously you have been watched all my 50 videos in your convenient time, and I hope that you have been learned many things from that, right from the 6th standard to our plus 2 standard, along with IIT JEE mains, MSET, TSAP and various competitive examinations along with their regular syllabus. I hope so the same will be continued from the coming days. So today we are going to discuss about division of polynomials. As you know very well that polynomials plays crucial role right from the 6th standard to your intermediate and various levels of your studies. Now in that polynomials, division of polynomials is very important for various examinations in the regular board also, especially for 8th, 9th, 10th students. Here we are going to discuss our Horner's method of synthetic division. For the division of polynomials for various concepts, there is a method called Horner's method of synthetic division. So it is a division, synthetic division modified and well developed by Horner. So hence it is called Horner's method of synthetic division. Now let us start our problem. So our question is that nothing but factorize a polynomial x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 4. This is our given polynomial. So what is the degree of this polynomial here? Fourth degree polynomial. Fourth degree polynomials are said to be biquadratic polynomial. So biquadratic polynomial nothing but a polynomial of degree 4 is said to be biquadratic polynomial. So we have to factorize this polynomial as a product of factors. So fourth degree polynomial has 4 distinct or same factors along with the zeros. So we have to do the factorization of the polynomial by Horner's method of synthetic division. So let us start our method. So solution. So this is a polynomial in the variable x. I am giving the name. Let f of x is equal to x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 4. Please check that whether it is in standard form or not. So it is in our standard form. How to check whether it is in standard form or not? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. In each and every term the variable is x and this is our constant. Its degree of the term x of f of x is nothing but 4 here. Here it is 3, the degree 3 for 4x cube, for 3x square the degree is 2 and minus 4x degree is 1 and minus 4 it is a constant. As you know that degree of a constant polynomial is always 0. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So degrees of x of f of x in all the terms are in descending powers. Hence it is said to be in our standard form. So after checking whether it is standard form or not, if it is not there, you have to write in the standard form. Now consider the quotients of x of f of x. So 1, here we are going to start now. Consider the quotients. X power 4, the quotient is, here it is 1 and x cube quotient is 4 and x square quotient is 3 and here it is minus 4x quotient is minus 4. Next the constant is again the minus 4. After writing the quotients, draw a line and place it 0. This is said to be the first and the foremost method for Horner's method of synthetic division after writing the given polynomial in the standard form. So now I am considering as a multiplier of the factor as x minus 1. So if I take x minus 1 as a factor, 1 will be the 0 of this polynomial since x minus 1 is a multiplier. So I have to consider plus 1 since I am assuming that x minus 1 is a multiplier. So you have to do 1 plus 0 is 1. Next step you have to multiply this one, you have to do multiplication operation. 1 into 1 gives you 1. Again the same, you have to do the addition. 4 plus 1 gives you 5. Again you have to multiply this 5 into 1 gives you 5. Next, 3 plus 5 gives you 8. Okay. So 8 into 1, again here it is 8. Minus 4 plus 8 is 4. Again 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 4 plus 4 gives you 0. This is the remainder 0. Since I have taken 1 is the 0 of the polynomial and multiplier factor is x minus 1, I got 0. Therefore, x minus 1 will be treated as a factor of our given f of x. If it is not equal to 0, whatever the value we are going to consider as a 0, that will not be the 0 of this polynomial. So, remainder should be equal to 0. This is the first step of Horner's method of synthetic division. First level it is completed. Next, we have to go for the next step. So, what is our next step? Since previously I have taken plus 1, now I am checking for minus 1. So, again place 0 here and minus 1 I am taking as the 0 of the polynomial. I am checking it. Nothing but x plus 1 is a multiplier factor here. So, 1 plus 0 gives you 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 5 plus of minus 1 plus into minus minus. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Again 8 plus of minus 4. So, 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. And here again the remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial f of x and x plus 1 is a factor. So, here in the first case here 4th degree polynomials, the terms, the quotients of x of f of x, here it is reduced to our 3rd degree, x cube 5x square plus 8x plus 4. Now here it has been reduced to 2nd degree. So, I have to consider now 1x square and next here it is plus 4x and next plus 4. Still you can continue, no problem, by taking plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 3 or 5 by 2 or minus 5 by 6, etc. You can take any other things. But here, since it is reduced to our 2nd degree quotients of x of f of x, by seeing this one, you can expect the expansion here x square plus 4x plus 4. You can write it as, now this is x square and this is 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4. So, I got a square plus b square. So, plus 2ab I am writing 2 into a is x and b is here 2. So, 2 2s are 4x. Now, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Nothing but a plus b whole square. So, x plus 2 whole square. Since I have been used a square plus 2ab plus b square as a plus b whole square, which gives you here x plus 2 into x plus 2. Since here we can apply a plus b whole square for the given expression, I have proceeded in this way. Otherwise, even though you can continue with again minus 2 as a 0, you will get 0, and minus 2 as a 1 more 0, again the remainder you will get 0, the same you will get. So, therefore, since I have taken 1 as a 0 of this polynomial, I got remainder 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor. Here again remainder 0, x minus of minus 1, nothing but x plus 1 as a factor. So, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2 into x plus 2. Here these are the repeated factors for our f of x. So, totally 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, our f of x is equal to, first I am writing this x minus 1. Next I am writing here x minus of minus 1. Next this is x plus 2 whole square. Rewriting again, f of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 2. Since it is a fourth degree polynomial, there exist 4 different factors. Here the case where same repeated factors. So in this way f of x has been factorized to get the 4 factors by using the application of Harner's method of synthetic division. So what is the equation for this? If you multiply x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 2, we should get again our f of x. So in this way, Harner's method of synthetic division is very useful. So here we taken a plus b whole square to get the remaining 2 factors, x plus 2 whole square. So division of polynomials, Harner's method of synthetic division. This is a way of finding the factors of given f of x, especially third degree, fourth degree and so on, which plays crucial role in your 8th, 9th, 10th APTS boards, NCRT as well as in your intermediate and various competitive examinations, and in future whatever you are going to write for the various examinations for your career, just like DSC, TET and RRB, SSC, etc., national, central government jobs or state government jobs, this technique, this concept is very much useful in your Olympiad examinations also. So please viewers, after watching the video, share, like, subscribe and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.